In today's fast-paced work environment, project management tools have become indispensable for teams striving for efficiency and seamless collaboration. Among these tools, Wrike stands out as a powerful platform offering a wide array of features to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. A key aspect of Wrike's capabilities lies in its robust automation features. But as with any technology, it's natural to wonder, what exactly is the limit of automation within Wrike? As a project management expert, let's delve into this question, breaking down the possibilities and identifying the practical boundaries of Wrike's automation capabilities in a way that's easy for anyone to grasp, whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey. Wrike's automation engine is designed to take over repetitive, manual tasks, freeing up project managers and team members to focus on more strategic and creative work. Think of it as your tireless digital assistant, always ready to handle the routine aspects of project execution. This can range from automatically assigning tasks based on predefined rules to updating task statuses as work progresses, and even triggering notifications to keep stakeholders informed. One of the primary areas where Wrike shines in automation is in workflow management. You can define custom workflows for different project types, and Wrike's automation can then move tasks through these stages automatically based on specific triggers. For instance, when a task is marked as completed, an automation rule can automatically move it to the review stage and assign it to the relevant reviewer. This eliminates the need for manual handoffs and ensures a smoother progression of work. Similarly, when a task's due date is approaching, Wrike can automatically send reminders to the assignee, helping to keep projects on track. Another significant area is task assignment and delegation. Wrike allows you to set up rules that automatically assign tasks to specific team members based on criteria such as their role, workload, or even specific keywords in the task title or description. Imagine a marketing team where blog post drafts are automatically assigned to the editing team once they reach the draft complete status. This level of automation saves valuable time and ensures that the right people are always working on the right tasks. Communication and notifications are also significantly enhanced through Wrike's automation. You can configure rules to automatically send email notifications or in-app alerts when specific events occur, such as a task being assigned, a status changing, or a comment being added. This ensures that all stakeholders are kept in the loop without the need for manual updates or constant monitoring. For example, a project manager can set up an automation rule to receive a notification whenever a high-priority task is at risk of being delayed. Furthermore, Wrike's automation extends to reporting and analytics. While the platform doesn't automatically generate complex analytical reports without user configuration, it can automate the scheduling and distribution of pre-built reports. This ensures that key stakeholders receive regular updates on project progress, resource allocation, and potential roadblocks without the project manager having to manually generate and send these reports each time. However, it's crucial to understand that the limit of automation in Wrike, like any software, lies in its pre-programmed capabilities and the logical rules you can define. Wrike's automation operates based on if-then logic. You set up triggers, the if part, and define the actions that should occur when those triggers are met, the then part. This means that Wrike can excel at handling predictable and rule-based processes. Where Wrike's automation reaches its boundaries is in situations requiring complex decision-making, nuanced understanding, or handling unforeseen exceptions that haven't been explicitly programmed. For instance, while Wrike can automatically assign a task based on a team member's role, it cannot inherently understand the intricacies of their current workload outside of what's tracked within Wrike itself. A project manager's judgment is still required to ensure fair and efficient resource allocation in dynamic situations.